Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the card type and ensuring the card is unlocked. This matters because SDHC and SDXC behave differently with older readers. Once done, plug the USB SD card reader into the correct laptop port. Use a USB-C adapter if your reader is USB-A. Next, insert the card fully into the reader until it clicks. Make sure the metal contacts face the right way. You do this now so the system can detect the device immediately and avoid corrupting files. Once the card is seated and the reader connected, watch for the operating system to mount the drive and show a new volume. This gives you file-level access. If nothing appears, open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac OS to see if the device is present but unmounted. Mount it manually. Make sure to install or update the reader driver only when auto detection fails. Drivers can resolve format and compatibility issues without changing data on the card. Now transfer your files. Drag and drop or use a transfer tool and verify a few files open so you know the copy succeeded. When finished, always safely eject or unmount the card from the OS. This flushes caches and prevents corruption. If the card isn't readable or shows errors, try a different USB port and test the reader with another known good card. If that fails, the reader may be faulty or the card could need repair with DiskCheck utilities. One key tip: switch ports before assuming the card is dead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.